Hi, Richard. My name's Christian Renna. I'm with RenGen SEO. We are a digital marketing agency, and I just wanted to shoot this quick video to give you some free tips and tricks that you can use on your own to increase your online presence. So, contrary to popular belief, a website, if done properly, can actually bring you leads in and of itself without paying outside lead services like Zillow, Trulia, and Realtor.com. And the leads that come through your website are going to be exclusive to you. So they're not going to be sent out to multiple agents playing the game of, who paid the most money to Zillow this month to get the best leads, or, competing with multiple agents for the same leads. Okay. The leads are yours because it's your website. You own them. Okay. So 3 things we're going to talk about today: content, citations, and backlinks. The first is content. Now, it looks like you do have a website, richardrocksrealestate.com. Awesome. Glad to see that. And I like to see the fact that you have a nice Facebook page, cleanly laid out. Hey, I'm a realtor. Give me a call. So I'm really glad to see that. So here's your website. Now, it looks like this potentially could be a website that's hosted through eXp Realty. Potentially, it's a website that you don't pay for. Maybe it's in your brokerage fees. So I'm not sure how much you can actually change. But as far as this website goes, at all websites, content is king. Okay, Google loves content. Search engines love content. The more content you have, the better. But content isn't just the words on your website. It's also the photos, how the photos are saved, alt tags, meta descriptions, site titles, what's behind the photos. Okay, so very important, especially in real estate websites with the IDX feed, with all the listing photos, is that you want to make sure your photos are saved the right way. So just keep in mind that how your photos are saved is read on the back end by search engines. So obviously it makes sense to make sure that what you save your photo as is going to bring value. A lot of times when we upload photos to the internet, or even on a computer without being on the internet, the computer will create a file name for the photo that we don't even specify. So usually it consists of random letters and numbers, or it'll be pick 1, pick 2, okay? No good. You want to make sure all your photos are saved with good content that's going to be read on the back end, that's going to help you rank and bring in some money. So keep that in mind, either whether you can change it on this website, or if you build your own website that's not through eXp, I would highly suggest all your photos, making sure they're saved the right way. Next is citations. So what a citation is anywhere on the web that your business name, address, and phone number is listed in various directories. That would include Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Yelp, the Chamber of Commerce. All those directories are going to give you citations. The more citations you have, the higher up you're going to rank in this map pack. So as you can see, I typed in San Antonio Realtors, okay? We got JB Goodwin, VIP Realty, we got the Hesslets, okay? So I don't see eXp anywhere on this first page, okay, which is understandable. But even more importantly than that, I want to point out that whether you're a broker or whether you're just an agent, you can have a Google My Business page. So let's see if eXp Realty is even here on the first page. Yep, right here. So right down here, right? Now, how many people are going to this eXp Realty's Google My Business page and calling you? How many agents do they have to go through before they get to you to get that lead? All right, that's the real key question. But more importantly than that, we have some individual agents. Phyllis Browning, okay? We have Jack Bager. We have Ruben Galiendo, okay? So point is, you can have a Google My Business page. I would highly suggest getting one. For the purposes of this video, we're going to use Ruben Galiendo's Google My Business page. So here it is. This is what it's going to look like. Pretty basic. A couple things I want to point out. First of all, we recommend minimum 25 reviews. Ruben has 9, 5.0, pretty decent. We recommend 25. Obviously, everybody understands the value of being reviewed and the value of those reviews. So we recommend 25 for your Google My Business page. Second thing, photos. How they're saved. So we recommend you put 10 photos in your Google My Business page, all right? And then we recommend that all 10 photos are saved the right way. So we want all 10 photos to be saved the right way. That way it's read on the back end. That way you get the most value and you bring in the most leads. So keep that in mind. 10 photos, 25 reviews, complete your profile. You'll be on your way with some citations to ranking in the area that which you would like to rank in. And then the last thing is backlinks. So what a backlink is anywhere on the web that your domain can be found. So richardsmith.exprealty.com. Anywhere that it can be found online is going to give you a backlink. So you actually have 45 backlinks from 2 referring domains. But as you can see, your UR is only 12 and you're not ranking on the first page. I don't even think you're on the second or third page. Okay, the only way these people are finding your website is if they type in the name specifically. Okay, but by that time, that means they've already got your business card and they're typing in your website because they know you. We want new people to find your website organically when they're searching in the area. That's the key. So remember, not all backlinks are created equal. Once you get your domain, you're going to want to get your name out there. But just be sure to have your backlinks coming from sites that are relevant and not spammy. So you don't want your sites, you don't want your backlinks coming from spammy sites that are irrelevant, because it's not going to help you at all. So do your homework and get yourself some good, powerful backlinks. Other than that, I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that you can find the time to implement these tips and tricks into your business, into your online presence, to bring you some more leads and money. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to get in touch with us. So thank you very much, Richard, for watching, and I hope you have a great day.